All right, so it is given that P is due north of Q. So due north Q. So this is our north. Okay, that is for P. That is the statement. Okay, find the bearing of R from P. R from P. So P is the starting point. This or not. So I will start from P here and rotate clockwise to meet R. So we want to find this side. Okay. Remember the line PR and line QP are equal. Therefore, this side is 38. So we can use the information to solve for this side. And don't forget, this side is angle on a straight line. So this is R, this is P, this is line Q. So we can find this side once we know this side. Okay. All right. So let's find this side. Let's call this side K. So K plus 38 plus 38 give us 180 degrees. Okay. All right. So 38 plus 38, 6. So we have K plus 76 got 180 degrees. So 180, 76, 10, 4. So we have K as 104 degrees. 104 degrees as K. So with this, we can find this side. Okay. Now we have behaving like this, and this side is 104. So what is this side? So when we find this side, the result will be the bearing of what R from P. So we have to subtract 104 from 180. So 104, 10, 6, 76. Okay, so this side is 76. So the bearing of R from P is 0.76 degrees. Okay, so one or other way around, we can say exterior angle is called the sum of what? Opposite interior angle. So 36 plus 36 will give us the bearing of what? R from P. All right.